let's talk about levels. Now, here we can look at this level and we can see that the bubble is just touching the right line, just hanging over the edge a little bit. When you want to make sure your level is true, spin it around 180 degrees like I just did there. And if the bubble ends up in the exact same location it was when you had it originally set up, then your level's reading true. In this particular case, I can now see that this bubble is touching the left-hand line. So it is definitely not reading level. So what should happen to this level is the owner of this device, it's not mine or I would have already done it, should take a hammer and smash the bubble out of this bubble here and then check the other ones as well, which I mean, we can quickly do. If your level isn't reading level, break the bubbles. They can still be used as straight edges, but do not use it for leveling anything because you never know what reading you're gonna get. So make sure your level's level.